Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another installment of Where is that located on my Subaru Outback, or how do I do that on my Subaru Outback? That's not the official name, but I think it's got a good ring to it, so we'll start calling it that. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you what to turn off on your Outback before going in an automatic car wash. Let's get this camera turned around. I'm going to show you where everything's located and how to disable it so you don't damage your Subaru Outback when you go through an automatic car wash, all right? So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We are looking at the console. What you want to do first is we're going to look in the eyesight area. We're going to turn on the car here. We're going to hit the car icon. Then we're going to go up to driving assistance. Okay, we're going to go to pre-collision braking. So setting off. Are you sure you want to change it to off? Yes. All right, now we have the lane departure prevention function. Warning buzzer only. That shouldn't be an issue, but I'm also going to turn that off, okay? All right, now we're going to go into vehicle control. All right, what we're looking for is auto vehicle hold, AVH. We're going to turn that off. It was already off, but I wanted to show you that. This is off, okay? The next thing I'm going to turn off, auto start stop. Next, one big thing that could really mess things up, the auto tailgate, okay? If it's open, it's going to be pushed out a little bit. Push it in to turn it off. And then last, I just like to be safe, all right? If your wipers are in any position down like this and they're moving, well, they're on, okay? What you want to do is put it all the way up to where when you let go, it drops down. That means your wipers will not engage when you're in there, because if you're in a car wash and they turn on, you're pretty screwed. You're going to need new wipers, all right? So let's get this camera turned around. We'll wrap this up and I'll get everyone out of here. All right, so that just concluded how you should turn things off, what you should have turned off before you go through a car wash. Hope this helped everybody. If it did, hit that like button. And if you're really interested in seeing more content, subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Talk to y'all later. Peace.